Channel. So today we are going to check option selling. Let's get started with Nifty. So we'll start with price action. So it's 11th. We are in the second week, and then today we have day 2 of the second week, that is Monday. Let's observe the chart and price action. So I'll keep Nifty and Bank Nifty in parallel chart so that we can get some idea how Nifty is going. Since my internet is a bit slow, I just want you guys to have some patience. Thank you. Okay, so there you go. So I'll keep 15 minutes chart so that we'll get a very good idea of what's happening. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty and this is Nifty, and I'm having the previous close for your reference. Okay, so now we'll read the price action. So what happened? This is Friday chart. Let me change the color. This is Friday chart, this is Monday chart. So Friday and Monday. Okay, so this is open, this is close, this is open, this is close. So here all the SL is hunt. Okay, open, close and open, close. As you could see how price action is matching. So now this is the second week, day 2. Okay, now we'll start to check open. So for Nifty, open was 350. We'll keep 350 as our base value. Here is 350. This is our open 8 AM. And then what happened in today? Support was very strong, so it was going up. This means resistance was weak. So I'll write it here. Resistance is weak and support is strong. If support is strong, then we will have the maximum decay in ITM. So this is what is resonating here. And then since this has the maximum negative decay because of the weak resistance. Okay, now OTM as usual it is positive. Okay, so this is the important point because of strong support. Okay, this is how selling works. Exactly opposite to buying. Okay, now we'll take one strike and we'll try to judge. Okay, let me take one strike. I'll take 25k because it is a very strong resistance. So it is having positive 2 points decay times 75, that is 150 tax plus brokerage. Okay, so this is the PNL for this strike. Okay, so we'll move on to next expiry 21st, and you will see the same pattern here. As you could see, where is the maximum decay and where is the maximum profit. Now we'll go to Bank Nifty. Finnifty and Midcap Nifty is similar procedure. You can do it for yourself. Now Bank Nifty, the same. So let me write here strong support. So it is having a maximum decay. Here a weak resistance. See, not for this week, just for today, weak resistance. That's why it is having the maximum negative decay. OTM is negative and positive because the move was clearly trending. So this is what reflects in the OTM. Okay, now we'll move on to the premium. So here we are going to do a step count and we'll try to analyze the market. Okay, so when you check for Bank Nifty, open was clearly 55,000. So I'll keep 55,000 on both sides as it's a very good support as well as resistance. Now you could see at the start almost very near close by, and then you could see at 10:30 buyers were winning, but then at 12 sellers were winning, and then almost nit to nit it was close, and then it was a very close, but the sellers were winning with very less margin. Now we'll take OTM. I'll take 55,500 because that is also a very strong resistance, and here you could clearly point out that from the start itself sellers were gaining the edge. Now we'll go to ITM 54,500. Sorry, I have to take here first. 54,500. So this is straight away 500 step count. So this is ITM. Here clearly buyers were winning. So you know, if the resistance is weak means the ITM will definitely go in the positive side and the OTM will definitely favor the sellers. Okay, now we will take the bank Nifty as our case study both close study as a case study. So 350 is the value, so I'll take 350 in both the sides. 350 was a very good support, and then at the start you could see almost nit to nit, very closely buyers were winning and sellers were winning, but at one point, I guess after the afternoon session 1:30, as you could see, it was 52 and 56, and after that buyers were winning. Okay, so first half it was not so trending, second half it was trending, exactly opposite to Friday. First half it was trending and second half it was not trending. Okay, now we'll take 450 100 step count, and then you can see here definitely sellers were having the upper hand till the last. Now we'll take 250. Okay, 100 points. Now here see ITM buyers were winning. Okay, so from the very start buyers was having the edge because we know, right, markets are going to go up because it was an important support. Now let me close this chart and we will concentrate on the close range OI. Okay, so first off we'll start with Nifty, and then here you can clearly see profit booking on the call writing side 7, so almost similar, 7.7 and 7.4. so here I am predicting sideways close for this week. Here to 65 and 51, still resistance is strong for next week. When you check Bank Nifty, I'm checking OTM here, so 110, 104. Here also I'm looking at the sideways close. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel.